Hello everyone. For this activity, I'm going to go over how to print a file in Illustrator. So the first thing you need to do, which you should have learned in the previous lesson, is how to open a file in Illustrator. And in our case, we're downloading a file called printassignment.ai. So in Classroom, you'll see that. You need to right-click it, open File in New tab, and download it. And once you've downloaded it, then you'll need to go ahead and open it in Illustrator. Now, to do that, if you don't remember how to do it, go back and review the activity, the video from that activity on opening files and exporting. If you do that, I guarantee you'll remember how to do it, and you can open your file in Illustrator for this. We want to open the print assignment file. Once you have opened it, you should see what you have on the screen here. And all we are doing, this is a pretty simple task, but all you need to do is go to File, Print, and once you're in Print, we're going to go up to where it says Printer. This is normally where you would select what printer you're going to use. However, in this case, instead of selecting a real printer, we're going to select a virtual printer. We are going to print to PDF. So Microsoft Print to PDF is what we want to choose there. We only want one copy. We want it in its regular order, and we want to make sure that Ignore Artboards is unchecked. What would happen if we checked this is that any extra stuff that's laying outside of the artboard would also be included in the file. And then going down, we're keeping everything else default. So don't change anything else. One thing I do want to tell you is if you ever want to print on a, print something that's, a smaller size or a larger size to a sheet of paper, like something that's larger than a sheet of paper or something that's smaller, you can do this thing that says scaling. So if you did fit to page, for instance, it would make it so everything would fit that exact size. The thing is if it's a raster image like you would work with in Photoshop normally, or a photo of some sort, if it starts off small and you try to make it big, when you print it, it's going to come out blurry and pixelated. So I don't recommend that for a raster image. However, Illustrator works with vector images. We will talk about that soon. So anyways, the next thing I want you guys to do is go ahead and click on Print. And when you do that, you're going to get a Save Print Output As window. Normally, it would just print to the printer, but in this case, we're printing it to a PDF. So just go ahead and call it Print, and then we want to make sure it goes in your Documents folder. So Documents, Print, that should say PDF. You have no other choice. And then click Save. And if you do that, it should, if you did it correctly, save a PDF file in your Documents folder that you will upload to Classroom. And that's it.